Okay, so today we're going to just do the second part of our algebraic expansion. And we are going to be looking once again at the area approach, but we're going to do it slightly differently because we have, as you can see here, a negative here. The number in the brackets is x minus 5. So how is this going to affect us in terms of our actual shape here? Well, we can still think of this as kind of two components. Now we can say instead, well, one of my dimensions is going to be 2, and that's multiplied by x minus 5. And we don't know what x is, but we can say that let's let this side, this entire length here, be x. So from here to here. All right, so cool. That doesn't help us though, does it? But check this out. If I were to say, for example, that this was 5, what would that make my length here? Well, that would make that length 5 less than x. So we can call this x minus 5 from here all the way to here. So we can say that, well, finding our, like completing this multiplication, this algebraic expansion, would just sort of be like finding the area of this bit here, of 2, our dimension 2, multiplied by our dimension x minus 5. Now, how do we do that? Well, we can say that finding this area would be the same as finding the whole area of our big rectangle and minusing the area of this rectangle. And we get remaining this area here. Now let's have a look at actually completing this and seeing what we end up with. Well, let's take the area of our big rectangle first. So those dimensions are 2 multiplied by x. So we end up first with, actually I'll do it here. We end up first with 2x as the whole rectangle. And from that, we are going to subtract the area of our smaller. Did I say triangle before? I'm not sure, but I meant rectangle. So 2x is the area of our big rectangle, and we will subtract from that the area of our smaller rectangle, which is our dimension of 2 multiplied, which is the same on this side, 2 multiplied by 5. That gives us an area of 10. So therefore we can say that the area of this rectangle is just 2x minus 10. So I'm going to undo a couple of these just so we can have a look at if we observe a similar thing in my actual written algebraic expansion. Well, if I multiply my first two components, 2 by x, I get 2x. And if I multiply 2x, if I multiply 2 by negative 5, and we've got to be careful here because we have a negative in front of our 5. This x is positive, but this 5 is negative. So we're multiplying 2 by negative 5, which then gives us negative 10. And that is exactly what we got here. We got 2x, our big rectangle, 2 multiplied by x, so 2x for the area of our big rectangle. And from that, we subtracted 2 multiplied by 5. And we were left with the area of 2 multiplied by x minus 5, which is exactly what we got here. I'll see you guys in the next video for binomial expansion.